Hello everyone, I'm Venkatesan Dhivya. I will be presenting about empowering financial wellness, AI agents as coaches, managers, and ethical decision makers. And this is the table of contents. Financial wellness means having control over one's finances and feeling secure. Many people struggle with budgeting and debt. Studies show that personalized AI coaching and tools can measurably reduce money stress and raise financial knowledge. By automating advices like advices for budgeting tips, reminders, etc., AI can empower people to manage their finances more confidently. Think of AI agents as a virtual financial assistants. As coaches, they answer questions like a friendly advisor. As managers, they automatically handle tasks without constant user intervention. As citizen agents or ethical overseers, they represent the user's interest. For example, handling data consent or flagging biased decisions. Together, these roles can democratize financial planning. Money manager agents work behind the scenes. They include robo advisors that create personalized investment plans and saving tools that move idle funds into goals automatically. For example, if you spend money on dining, the system might redirect a bit more into savings. These agents also use AI to find the best loan or credit products. And customer service bots answer routine questions and suggest products instantly, making finances more accessible. Financial coach agents are like having a personal money mentor on your phone. Using NLP, they can understand questions like how much did I spend on groceries this month? And even deduct urgency from your tone. With machine learning, they spot your spending trends and tailor advice. This continuous guidance helps user set and reach goals. The citizen agent role is about trust. For instance, it may call out a biased credit model or manage a user's data permission under Korea's My Data framework. Korea's AI policy explicitly pushes for explainable and fair AI that can self audit biases. In effect, a citizen agent makes sure AI decisions can be understood and challenged, reinforced users' rights. Now I will move on to the core AI technologies in personal finance. First, natural language processing helps chatbots understand and respond to user messages like, "What's my balance?" using tools like named entity recognition and sentiment analysis. Second, machine learning analysis spending patterns to offer personalized advice like custom budgets or saving tips, while reinforcement learning helps the chatbot improve with use. Third, on device AI allows some features to run directly on the user's phone, which improves speed, privacy, and works even with limited internet. Lastly, secure API integration connects the chatbots to bank accounts in real time using encrypted APIs like PLIDE or UDL, enabling safe access to balances, expenses, and bill reminders. The backbone of AI agents is a variety of ML models. For example, a binary classifier might flag fraudulent transactions, while a regression network might predict future cash flow. Each model has hyperparameters like depth layers and layer of networks that are turned on historical data. The transformer diagram illustrates how language capable agent functions, inputs, financial text or commands are embedded and passed through attention layers that learn relationship between all parts of the inputs. In practice, we might fine tune a pre trained LLM on financial documents. Evaluating these models uses metrics like accuracy and AUC for classification or MSE for regression. Every design choice involves trade offs. For example, a bank might use a tree model for loan approval so designs can be explained, even if a neural network would be slightly more accurate. Study shows that the interpretability is task dependent rather than strictly tied to model type. Cloud versus edge is another big trade off. Cloud AI can draw on massive data sets and GPUs, but moving sensitive data offsite raises privacy issues. By contrast, Edge AI can analyze spending in real time on the phone, aligning with privacy laws. The diagram illustrates that split. The choice often depends on the application's requirements for speed, cost, and privacy. In practice, hybrid approaches are common. Initial training in cloud, interference on edge, or vice versa. On the implementation side, AI agents are software systems interacting with financial infrastructure. For instance, to get a user's latest account balances, the agent might call a secure banking API. In budgeting apps, this is often done via the user granting an API token, then the app polling on receiving push updates. Machine learning models are deployed behind APIs. The agent's mobile app sends input features to ML service, which returns a prediction. Engineering best practices apply when microservice architecture, separate concerns, and monitoring are critical to trace decisions. Compliance requires audit logs for decision trials. The main point is that integration via robust, secure APIs is as important as the ML model themselves. Protecting user privacy is both ethically mandatory and often legally required. We mentioned federated learning. For example, a mobile banking app could personalize its ML without uploading personal transactions to the headquarters. In another approach, differential privacy ensures output doesn't leak individual info. In deployment, data encryption and anonymization are enforced. Ethically, we schedule periodic AI audits. Engineer test the model for biased outcomes. If issues are found, techniques like resampling data or using fairness constraints during training are applied. All these measures ensures the AI agent decisions are both effective and aligned with ethical norms. Ethical issues are paramount. AI must not inadvertently discriminate, for instance, based on gender or postcode. Toss Bank's ML credit model is paired with Guangzhou's bank expertise to improve decision accuracy and fairness. And policymakers demand transparency. Korea's new AI trust plan even includes R&D on explainable AI and bias removal. In practice, any AI recommendation should be traceable so a human can audit and explain it. As we are in Korea, I felt that it would be interesting to explore some case studies in Korea. Toss Bank, part of Viva Republic, is Korea's flagship fintech. It acts as a fully online bank through its app, notably for its joint loan together produced with Gwangju Bank. TOS uses a proprietary ML credit scoring engine. This lets them instantly personalize loan offers. Users never need a paper application. Everything is done in app. TOS thus exemplifies an AI driven money manager that automates and tailors financial services. Kakao Pay, part of Kakao Corp, illustrates AI coaches using my data. Their bucket list account uses government style my data to pull in bank, credit, and spending data. It then suggests saving plans. The interface shows goal progress, similar to a fitness app. Importantly, it uses user behavior to encourage change. For instance, every time you buy an expensive coffee or a pack of cigarettes, a small amount is automatically transferred to savings. This blending of data and automated coaching makes saving almost automatic. Looking ahead, AI in finance is blooming globally. For example, robo advisors that once seemed niche are now standard products. Banks uses AI to analyze your spending and even predict needs, offering highly customized accounts or credit cards. Customer support is shifting to AI chatbots that can handle many queries instantly. At the same time, regulators are catching up as many countries are drafting AI specific rules. Korea is part of this. Its 2025 AI strategy and hosting of global privacy forums reflects a push for safe and trustworthy AI. In Korea, specifically, we expect continued fusion of AI with finance. The My Data 2.0 upgrade will make even more data accessible to user centric services. New smartphone AI features will mean more tasks are done on devices, which align well with Korea's privacy law. Korean fintech leaders have lots of runway. Toss Bank recently launched AI Robo Advisor, and Kakao Pay could integrate voice chatbots. The government AI roadmap stresses trustworthy AI, so we will see innovation to go hand in hand with strong safeguards. In summary, AI can transform how people manage money, making expert level advice available to everyone. But we must keep the human in control. That means respecting privacy, ensuring AI is fair and explainable, and continuously building trust. Korea is well positioned with its My Data infrastructure and proactive regulations. The next few years should see AI powered apps that not only automate finance tasks but do so in ways that are accountable and beneficial to all users. Thank you for listening, and this is the references.